Hello everyone. Let's see how to create a new membership plan. Click on the Membership Plans tab. Membership Plans tab is opened. Click on Add Membership Plan. Fill the details for the plan. Set details for the session timings. Duration in 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, accordingly. Sessions on number of days. Enter the rack rate. Rack rate, maximum sellable price of membership. Base price is minimum price of membership. Membership cannot be sold below this. We can give upgrade option. Know about upgrade in upgradation video. We can also give an option of gym polling in plan. Click on Create Membership Plan. In Membership Plan tab, search for the plan registered. We can edit plan from Actions tab. Congratulations! We have added a new membership plan. Thank you.